Model-based control designed for swing up and balance of an inverted pendulum using Simulink and the Arduino. Arduino is basically used for the LQR method for the implementation of hardware design, and MATLAB Simulink model is used for the controlling its energy shaping controller for swing up and a linear quadratic regulator, and its different DC motors backup, and the inverted pendulum setup is shown in this figure, which is basically contains the power supply, angular position feedback encoder, DC motor, microcontrollers, drive system, and everything. Okay, so I have written the complete its component details here, nomenclature, the complete table for the nomenclature, and the results for its equation as well. Okay, the following topics will cover different environment experiments. Okay, design methodology, modeling, balance controller, its mathematical modeling of IP system, and kinematics of the system, all the equations used in it, and yes, the equations and the Simulink implementation. Simulink model is like this, like nonlinear model of inverted pendulum model. So after that, yes, this one. Results included in it. Okay, and homoclinic orbit system and everything included in it. Control partial feedback loop and model inverted pendulum, stability test, its controllability test, its controllability matrix, its MATLAB results based on full state feedback control system. These are the output results for balancing of LQR control system, external disturbance, and everything. Okay. So I think these are the output results for the lab optimal LQR control system and the conclusion in it. So let me just show you the complete files. Here are the MATLAB files for the inverted pendulum. I have written the complete model and its output results as well. Okay, so these are the models and the output results as well. You just need to open this in MATLAB Simulink model and you will get the output results as well. For example, let me just show you here. You just need to open these files and you will get the output results. Okay, like these are the parameters I have used, and yes, this is a Simulink models as well. Okay, so I think it is okay. You just need to run this model and you will get the output result. First of all, you just need to run these parameters. The parameters will be loaded in this section, and then you just open the Simulink model and you will get the output results as well.